Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here or just stopping by, my name is Jennifer. Hi, hello. You should subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up down below. Just saying. So you guys already know from the title that this is my 300 subscriber giveaway. I cannot freaking believe we are already at 300 subscribers. That is insane to me. I'm actually, right now when I'm filming this, I don't know what it is on the day this is going up, but right now I have over 300 subscribers, which is awesome. So if you've been subscribed to me for a while or been watching my videos, I do a giveaway every single 100 subscribers. Yes, there will be a giveaway at 400, 500, and so on until your girl can't keep up. So, yay! You should subscribe. There's a bajillion giveaways all the time coming on to this channel, okay? You should subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm very hyper. Anyway, all right guys, so first and foremost, we need to know when the giveaway will be opening and ending. The giveaway will start today, December 20th, and it will be closing on January 3rd. Sometime that night, like in the evening. I live in the US in Central Standard Time, so sometime that night I will be doing the draw. I will notify the winner. I'll post the winner on my Instagram. It'll be a whole damn thing. So today, December 20th, all the way to January 3rd. You have 2 weeks to enter. This is a USA only giveaway. I'm super sorry. I'm still a small channel. Even though we are growing really, really quickly, I'm still super small, so international shipping is just a little out of my budget right now. But USA only. And then obviously it's a YouTube subscriber giveaway, so you have to be subscribed to my channel so that I can be sure you are actually subscribed if your name does get drawn. Please make sure your subscriptions under your YouTube settings are public so I can make sure you are actually subscribed. If your name is drawn in the giveaway and I go to check and you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will pick a different person. I am so sorry, but it is for my subscribers, so you need to be subscribed to me. Duh. The next thing you need to be doing is following me on my Instagram account. Mine is always linked down below in the description bar. I post sneak peeks of videos. I announce when I post a new video. And there's a bunch of fun little things that are going on in my life all the time over there on my Instagram. So go follow that. And then the last thing you need to do to be entered into the giveaway is leave me a comment down below with your Instagram handle. By leaving a comment down below with your Instagram handle in it, that is how I will be able to check that you're following me on Instagram. And then I will probably DM you on Instagram because YouTube is really difficult for me to navigate messaging on here. So follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave your Instagram handle down below, and live in the US. That is literally all you have to do to be entered into the giveaway. And yeah, let's get on into what you will be winning in this giveaway. So these are all things that have been mentioned or used in every single video I've posted, or they've been featured in videos, they've been in favorites, stuff like that. I thought that would be fun. I don't know. I did want to put one of the Jeffree Star Christmas mystery boxes in it, but if you watch my Thanksgiving vlog, which you should, everything got sold out by the time I got to the website. So there's no Jeffree Star in this one. I'm so sorry. I know there was Jeffree Star in the last one, but still gonna be fun. Let's get into it. The first thing you are going to be winning, is this even all of them? Yeah. This is the All I Want 6-piece brush collection plus a travel bag from Morphe. These are the brushes that are inside of this. All of this stuff is brand new in the packaging, never been opened, but I own all of the things that are in this giveaway, so I'll be showing you mine. This comes with 2 fluffy blending brushes, an eyebrow brush with a spoolie on the other end, a flat eyeliner brush, a tiny little detail brush, and then a regular eyeshadow shader brush. I use these constantly. Pretty much every time I do my makeup, I use one of these blending brushes and this tiny little detail brush. I mainly use that to do my inner corner highlight, so you will be winning that. The next thing you'll be winning in the giveaway is one of the Physicians Formula Eye Boosters in Ultra Black. If you've been watching my channel for a while, or you follow my, like beauty videos and not so much any of my other videos, you know this product well. This is my all-time favorite eyeliner. I use it almost every single time I wear eyeliner. I will randomly branch out and try a different eyeliner. Like, I like the liquid eyeliner pens, I'll randomly branch out and try one, but I always go back to this. I always have one on deck, like ready to go. And these are so good. These are, of course, a liquid eyeliner pen. The one I get, do I get the waterproof one? No. These aren't even waterproof, but they last all freaking day long on me. It's what is on my eyes right now. Which, by the way, if you guys like this look and you want to see what's up, this video will be going up next week on my channel. So yeah, subscribe so you don't miss out and you can be in a giveaway, okay? Anyway, this is a brush tip and it has super fine points on it. And by the way, these swatches are from where I filmed this video 2 times now. I'm really trying to get it somewhat decent, if that makes sense. Anyway, moving on. The last 2 things you will be winning in the giveaway are the Nubian Mini Palette by Juvia's Place and ColourPop's California Love. These have both been in videos of mine. I'm wearing this one on my eyes right now. This is a 12 pan eyeshadow palette. I know everyone's probably getting sick of warm tone neutral palettes, but I can't get enough. I freaking love them. So this is an awesome palette, and like I said, I have 2, one for the giveaway, one for me. Yours will be brand new, never opened, like the box hasn't even been opened, so yay. And then the Nubian Mini Palette is a 6-pan eyeshadow palette from Juvia's Place. This is also warm tone, but I mean, who doesn't like warm tone eyeshadows? You can't tell me. These are both super pretty pigmented palettes. I have videos featuring both of them, and this one will be going up next week featuring this one for a second time. So I hope this is a fun giveaway. I hope you guys like this. Let me hold up everything really quick. Look at all the stuff you're gonna win. So that is everything you will be winning in the giveaway. I will have the rules listed down below so you don't have to rewatch the video 118 times. Feel free to share this video around though. And I will have an Instagram post coming like today when this goes live. I'll post about the giveaway. Have the rules on my Instagram account as well. So I hope you guys are super freaking jazzed for this giveaway. I'm super freaking excited. We've done 2 of them now. Why did that take me so long to think of? Both times, both girls that won were super freaking excited, and I'm so happy. I love getting to share one of my favorite hobbies, something that brings me so much joy. I love being able to share that with other people. I'm so very fortunate to have reached 300 subscribers on YouTube, and I'm so very freaking thankful for every single one of you. This is truly a really big passion of mine. I have loved makeup and worn it very consistently. When I was younger, I would not leave my house without a full face of makeup on. This has been like my main thing since I was like probably 12 or 13. So I'm so freaking happy I'm able to do giveaways and do YouTube and get to talk to people that I would have never interacted with before. And yeah, I'm just so very freaking thankful. And in my other 2 giveaway videos, if you want to go back and check those out, I mean, they're both closed, but still, I have a little section in both of them where I talk about the people that I, have noticed more commenting on stuff, and we're doing it again. But this time, I only really have 1 person to add. Of course, all the original people in the other 2 giveaway videos still stand. I still love every single one of you guys. You are awesome. Taylor Martin, she has her own channel. Paige Pagano has her own channel. Melissa is so freaking sweet. She comments on literally every single video, every single time I post, and it just melts my heart. So thank you guys to all of you. And the one I want to add this time is Amanda Hanks. You've been commenting on a ton of my videos, and I love being able to interact and talk to you and comment back. So I mean, honestly, if you want to shout out in one of my giveaway videos, all you really have to do is subscribe to my channel and actually like comment and interact with me on my videos. And I will almost always remember your name and remember what we talked about. And it honestly just melts my heart. I freaking love it. I love getting notifications on my phone throughout the day that I have comments and thumbs up and new subscribers. It melts my heart. So I hope you guys are excited for this giveaway. I am super freaking excited. So I'm gonna quit rambling and get off of here, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys.